Hello everyone, how are you today? Long time we didn't learn Korean, so today we will learn about yo-yo. Usually, yo-yo used with verb and adjective end with hata. Let's see example. Okay. So now we see hata and use yo-yo. Any verb or adjective end with hata. Remove ta. Okay, you need remove ta. After remove ta, you add yo. Okay, and then will be like this. Hair yo. Okay, hair yo. Okay, let's see example. Kong bu ha ta. Kong bu ha ta it means study. Remove ta and then yo like this, but cannot use like that, so it should be hair yo. 공부해요. I am studying. Okay. And the next example. 사랑하다. What is 사랑하다? As you used to hear, 사랑해요, right? So you need remove ta, right? And then add yo. Then become hair yo. It mean, it mean I love you. 사랑해요. 사랑해요. So yeah, 사랑해요. I love you. The next example. 일하다. 일하다 is mean to work. Okay, so the next step is remove ta and then 해요. 일해요. I work. Okay, I work. And okay, one more example. 좋아하다. 좋아하다, like is adjective. Okay, 좋아하다. Remove ta. Then become 좋아하다. 좋아, 좋아해요. Okay. I like 좋아해요. What do you like? Okay. What do you like? Okay. For example, Big Bang 좋아해요. Big Bang 좋아해요. I like Big Bang. Okay. So, what do you like? If you like BTS, EXO, BTS 좋아해요. EXO 좋아해요. Like this. Easy, right? Yeah, easy. I know. Then I hope you understand this lesson and so easy. If you have the question, so you can ask me under this video. So we will see you again next lesson today. Bye bye.